Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through an easy guide on how to disable margin in Robinhood. So to get started, an easy method on how you can easily turn off or disable margin in Robinhood. So to get started with that, first thing to do is to open the Robinhood app, then sign in. Then from there, type your profile icon, then tap the gear icon to open the settings. So once you're done, go to Robinhood Gold. So in the settings, tap the Robinhood Gold and look for margin investing. Then turn off the margin. So to turn it off, you have to tap disable margin investing and confirm to switch your account back to cash-based trading. Then after that, you can also use this option, which is very optional though. You can turn off the instant settlement. So to turn the instant settlement off, you have to go to the account, then click on, you have to go to account, then scroll down and click day trading settings, then toggle off the instant settlement for full cash only operation. So when that is done, your margin is now disabled on your Robinhood account, and your trades will run on it available cash only. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.